If you're looking for a better search experience on your Squarespace website, Monocle is for you. Today we're going to take a look. I'm going to set it up on my Squarespace site and we're going to compare it with Squarespace's native search functionality. So let's dig in. So here we are. This is the typical Squarespace search block. And I don't know if they've made some improvements recently, but let's take a look. I should probably do a more detailed search here. All right. So let's say how do I set up my plugin? Okay. And all right, there's nothing that matches that. Cool. Podcast with, let's see who's a recent guest. Okay. All right. Cool. So this is the native experience. There's not much else I can do. Let's give Monocle a try. All right, so here I am. I'm inside of Monocle. I've got to connect my site. Okay, so here's my script to connect my site. Okay. And now, in its default configuration, Monocle Search activates whenever someone is on the default Squarespace search page or if they use one of the default search blocks. So now if I refresh our search here that we just did, I'm now having the Monocle experience. So this is already much better just out the gate. I didn't get this a second ago, which means it's much better indexed. Let's see. Wow, this is pretty good. Let's see what I just asked before. How do I install this plugin? Whoa, okay, cool, perfect. I didn't have the answer the first time, but apparently it's already here on the page. Cool, so like I'm already impressed just off of those 2 quick searches. Now let's see what we can do. So additionally, a search overlay will be shown whenever someone clicks on a link to /search. All right, so that's the first, our first kind of like added benefit here. So let's play around with that. And let's put a search link in our navigation. And we'll say search. And yeah, thinking maybe I should turn off that open in a new tab though, just in case. And let's give it a go. See how this works. Okay, so now I'm gonna, oh, nice. Let's just go to the blog and then go from there. Let's see. Nice. CSS tips. Excuse me. Cool. I wonder what happens when we start to add like stuff like this. Okay, cool. Let's see. Templates. Let's see. How do I list a product? I'm just trying like random searches. Cool. So the only thing I'm thinking for myself, I'm like, man, I need to make sure I use some thumbnail images. Otherwise it's not gonna look good. So I like that search overlay, and I like that it pops up wherever I have /search. So that's really cool. Let's see what else we can do now. So programmatic search activation, the overlay search interface can be opened using JavaScript. So you can do this with the window Monocle object. All right. So if you're advanced like that, you can take that next step. Oh, look at the colors. All right. Let's go emerald. And all right. So we can take our style here. Ooh, soft and gooey. I'm gonna go with the square edges. Yeah, I mean, friendly and round is cool. Let's go square. How much context do you want? Oh, okay, cool. So, ooh, okay, I like the large context. Should page descriptions be shown if present? Yeah, I think so. I think that's a good idea. But because I don't have all my page descriptions defined, I'm just going to hide the descriptions for now. But that makes me now want to go back and actually fix that. Do you want images? Oh, perfect. So, no, I don't want images just because I don't have images for everything, as we just saw. Should we scroll the visitor down to where the search result was found? Yes. Yes, definitely. I love that. Search box settings. How do you want the search box to be aligned? I kind of like this center aligned approach, so I'm going to go with that. How blurry should the background be? Ooh. I'm going to go sensational blur. What color should the blurry layer be? Ooh, we can make that a color. Maybe go back to that emerald. I just want to see what it looks like. Oh, okay. What is this gold amber? Do it a warm color. I'll go with gray 50%. And then what text should be in the search field? Ooh. They're going to say, what you're looking for. All right. I like that. Okay, now I'm going to refresh because I didn't see a save button. So that means that instantly works. Love that. Cool. Now we can exclude pages if we need to. We can exclude individual or entire subsets. This is good. Definitely helpful. Member sites. Okay. So I can show if it's a member's site content. So I just so now happen to have a member site, which will definitely make this useful. So I'll use this for sure. Product search. I like this. Because my products aren't natively on Squarespace, this isn't going to be relevant for me specifically, but if I was selling products on Squarespace, this with the filters, for sure. For sure. All right. So there you have it. I'm pretty excited to put this into play. You can see the site is crawled every day, which is good. And if I need to crawl it now, I can do that. But yeah, if you've got a lot of content on your website and you want to help people to be able to find that content where, they would have to like navigate for ages or somehow get there through Google, this is it.